Hey guys, this is Damien here. I just want to do a real quick video. Gonna be changing out the driver's side windshield wiper on my 2002 Subaru Impreza WRX. Now, a lot of people will have the shop or the oil change place change their wipers out for them, but it only takes a second. It's really easy. Putting on this Michelin silicone windshield wiper blade. So we're gonna give this a try. It's the Endurance XT silicone beam wiper. To know which size wiper blade you need, there's a little lookup thing at the store. You just put in your make and model and year, and it'll tell you what size wiper blade you need. In my case, it's a 22-inch wiper blade. So we're gonna go ahead and take this guy out of the package here. All right, so we got some goodies in here. These are all different attachment adapters, and we don't need any of these, I don't think. None of these look right for my car. Some of them have just a blade end, and you would use this one. It just sticks into the hole there and then locks on. Some of them have some kind of, looks like a pivot, like a little axle that it just clips onto. We don't have that either, so probably we're gonna need whatever one's on there. All right, it's got these little ends on here. You're gonna want to take those off. So pull these off. Yeah, they just pull right off. All right, so on this one, it has, let's see, a little guard on here on the hook. So it says to push the sides in. Probably easier with two hands. All right, yeah. So it just comes right open. And this is the style that we need. So we have like a little rounded area to hook onto, and that's what I have on my car, little hook. First thing I wanted to do was get into the garage. It's raining a little bit outside, and I like to stop with my windshield wipers up. It makes it easier to get to the windshield wiper. So that's step one. So on the old one, you're gonna need a screwdriver to pry the old one off here. Now, the last two times I've done this, I've stabbed myself with a screwdriver, so hopefully I can avoid stabbing myself this time. All right, so prying her there, and we got that. We have this pried open. Now I should be able to just, should be able to just push this off. So there's my hook. So this hooked around and then clipped down. So we just take that off like that. And so this was a Rain-X blade. It did all right. I don't know, down here in Florida, anything that's rubber out in the hot sun, exposed to sunlight, it doesn't last very long. These worked all right, like I said, but I'm trying a different one this time. So go ahead and get rid of that one. And then we want to attach the new one. So it's kind of the same deal. We want to put the hook down around the area recessed for it, pull up on it, and then we lock it down by clipping it. And there we go. New wiper blade is installed. So it couldn't have been any easier. Takes 2 seconds. They overcharge you for blades at the oil change place, so just do it yourself. Just save a couple bucks. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, so we just installed that wiper blade. We're gonna go ahead and give it a test. As you can see, we got a little bit of rain outside. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it works really, really well. That is a great windshield wiper blade. All right, well, there you go. Job done.